All right, welcome back to the Oracle Disciples Leverage Trading channel here on YouTube. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Find all the information you need down in the description. Please join the public Discord. It's open, free. Obviously, all the information's free there. There's a couple channels on a Discord for BitSeven help, trading recommendations, how to read direction, how to find direction, all that good stuff. We are on the BitSeven platform. It is about 8:25 on Wednesday evening. Pretty great day trading. We're in about 16 trades for the day, straddling techniques and doing QRTs, and they're all in the money. We're sitting 25% now, okay, in an up trade from 765. We're now at 817. Now, I like this 25% we got, okay, and we talked about in the previous video how we'll show how we correct this down from 693 from earlier today. We haven't seen that level in a while, three or four hours actually. But the high of the day is 10,008 in the 830 range. 832, I believe. So I kind of like the way this is going. And to take out the high for the day is very bullish. Okay, so you certainly could exit this trade right now, take the 25%. But, if you keep an eye on your candles, and we don't see any downside wick here, downside pressure yet, okay? And there's no compression in these candles, really. Why not let it run, right? But again, you can take that 24.62% right now, grow your Bitcoin, come back and put in a buy order if you want, if you're confident. But it's pretty bullish to break the 24-hour high, okay? So we're going to get some selling pressure here now. Let's compress wick. We'll see what happens with just like we did down here, and we'll see if the bulls want to carry it higher and test the daily high. And you'll see that if this candle keeps compressing, we're likely to go green. Okay. But again, we've been pretty much moving steadily up for the last hour or so. The direction is up in the 4 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, 3 hour, 2 hour. So that's a huge indicator on how we set our leverage. Okay, down is the opposite direction. It's contrarian. We use on this channel, and I try and mentor people, use a 50 25 25. 50 in direction, 25 if you're going to do an opposite direction, and keep 25 in reserve of your Bitcoin in case you have to address any positions like I'm going to do here. Okay, I have a strategy that I employ for me that I don't really worry about this until I get to like 35, 40%. That's really, I don't really pay attention to it because that's just the way it can happen with Bitcoin in the span of 30 minutes. If it gets to the 35 or 40% range, then what I will do is what's called a average up or average down my trade. How I do that is I can increase my leverage by going 50 or 75, okay, depending on what I want to do. If you use half as much as your amount, you're going to see the most movement in your price. Okay, so if you have it and then you increase your leverage, you're going to extend your cut loss. Okay, now that cut loss is going to be extended, predicated on what the leverage is. Okay, so the higher you go in leverage, the narrower that cut loss really gets. Okay, so a 50 would bring this into the 30 range, a 75 would bring it into the 40 range. So we saw that sell down here at about 10.8. Remember I said earlier, 10,800 was really where I would exit this trade. I can hit that and I can watch it right here to confirm an exit at 10,800 and take the 17%. Or I can sit and wait. It was as high as 20%. The key about this kind of stuff, guys, is don't panic. Okay, don't panic sell, don't panic buy, and don't chase. Okay, when you chase things, you inevitably are going to get closed out. Okay, especially in really crazy volatile days. All right, so we're looking in here. We're going to see this here. It could fall back down into that range, but we can keep this confirm box open. And, it gets 10,800, go ahead and hit confirm and exit it out. That was kind of our target anyway. Anything above that was gravy. Here we go. It's running up 10,800 again right there. So we're going to get up out of this trade. All right, like and subscribe to the channel.